Hi. What doing? Are you done? Are you done? That's extra. Tell me. Scabbaboos. You enjoyed the snow today? You enjoying it? Hey! Hey! Be nice! You gonna hide behind me? Is you? That's not very nice. Oh, get it! Alright. Do you wanna go for a walk? Do you? Do you wanna go for a walk? Okay. Well, come on, you gotta get ready. Yeah. Oh, yo. Oh, you're gonna take me off. Woo! Let's go! Yes! Keep going. No, keep going. Keep going. Go! Oh, you're gonna run. Oh, you dorks. Okay, ready? Set. Run. Go! Thanks. Okay, ready? Go. Go. Thanks. Keep going. Good girls. Yeah. You guys are funny. Go. Getting tired. Want to try it down the street? Come here. This will probably be better. Go ahead. Yeah. There we go. Thanks. You good girls. Huh? We're almost there. Come on. Let's go. Woo! Ha! Let's go down this way. Come on. Woo! You want to pull me through the... Go, babies, go! Nope, come on! Good girls. Thanks. Good girls. Heel. Heel. Woo! Yeah, get him. Get him. Oh, I tried. Good girls, you like the hills more, huh? Hey, hey, come on, come on, come on, come on. We'll go ha, ha, that's G. Dinguses. We'll actually wait for David. Oh, you want to pull me up this? Okay. Heel, heel, heel. Ah! Oh. Hey. Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to decide how we're gonna go down this one. I think we'll just stick to the sidewalk and go down that way. So, hey, ready, girlies? Ready? Go, babies. Come on. Come on. Good girls. Good girls! Yeah! Look at you guys running in unison. Oh, you almost took me out. Keep going. Come on. Come on. Getting tired? Come on. Vámonos. Vámonos. There we go. Skye, you fell over. Okay, Dome and Dome.
Skye's ready.
Oh, come on. Let's go, come on. Ready, set, go. Where are we going, huh? Okay, we're going this way. Which way are we going? Hey. This way? Okay. Where'd Riley go? You guys left her. You did.
You gotta go up the hill to before you can go down.
Run. As if you've never ran before. Good girl, Dormy. Thanks. How am I beating you? Where are we going now? Huh? Go! No, it's about the speed we normally go. Okay, Tommy. Okay, Tommy. Okay, dummy. Ooh.
Best idea ever.
Yeah. This is like their fourth lap around. They're getting tired.
You guys getting tired, huh? Whoa. I think they're enjoying this, huh?
Yeah, they love it. Come on, girls. Oh, Skye. Skye! Oh, we're going, huh? Oh, we're going this way, I guess. We're going this way, I guess. Okay. Oh, we're going. Oh, we're going. Oh, yeah, we are. Oh, hit a little jump. Oh, almost fell. Girls, ha! Girls, ha! Let's go. I'm outside.
At my house?
Yeah. Okay.
What did you guys say? Huh? You guys been good doggers? How you been, Colby? Huh?
Everybody loves them.
All right, doggers. All right, you guys have a good time.
Thanks.
Hi. You guys like to snow? You guys having fun? Yeah.
Blast. They never want to stop. Hi, girlfriend.
Hi, boyfriend. Are you gonna kiss me?
Can you help me? No, like put it on.
Oh.
Thanks. It's good. That's all right. Yeah.
Can she be with him?
Huh?
Can she be with him?
Yeah. Girls, here, I'll have them sit. 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 Sit.
I'll sit with you.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh, they're just gorgeous.
Thank you.
They're probably having a blast, huh?
Oh, yeah. And I've
having
actually
fun all
had,
year.
yeah, I've actually had so many people stop me and be like, can I take a video? Can I take a picture?
Really?
Yeah.
That's funny.
So it's been a fun morning. Fun day. I don't even know what time it is.
Oh, are they pulling you?
Yeah, they have been.
Oh, I gotta take a video of that.
Okay, I don't know. I might have to come up here to get them. They only like doing it on the downhill for some reason. Yeah, and I'll just go down this way. Girls, come on, let's go that way. Nope, wrong way. Ugh. Okay, ready? Let's go. We're coming for him, huh? All right, all done. Storm, fix your stuff. Fix it. There you go. Thanks. Gee. Hey. Keep on going. Pull, pull, pull. Oh. Of course, you guys take me down the one area that's just road. Whew. Come on. Come on. Good, Stormy. Go, go, go. Mush. Good girl. Yeah. Okay, ready? Jeez, you guys are zooming. Oh, you gotta pull a little. Man, you guys are loving it, huh? Oh, you're gonna speed up. Oh! Skye. Go work. Yeah, keep going, keep going. Oh, I went over dog poop. Which way you want to go? Straight? Okay. G. Oh yeah, get that. Get that. Come on, pull. Pull. Okay, heel. Whew. Keep going straight. Heel. All right. Come on. What are you? Storm. Storm. Come on. Wait, where's your? Come here. Storm. Come here. Skye, come. Skye. Are you f***ing high? Go. Storm. Storm. Come here. Storm. Come here. Come here. Come. Storm. Come. Storm. This way. I turn around and you're in the snow. Come here. Oh, there it goes again. There she goes again. Skye.